What is going on, guys? Let me know if you can hear me. It is 1:30 Eastern Standard Time. A little late for me, a little bit. Give me a chance to share the good news. What is up? All right. So what is DigiByte's use case? What are people in the dark about? Well, first of all, they're definitely in the dark if they've invested in Doge. Straight up. I ain't gonna lie. What are they gonna do? They're putting their life savings in Doge? Well, it looks like DigiByte on the 4-hour has dropped a little bit, but has been sustaining on the 100-day EMA, which is bullish as usual. Just like I said, if it drops, it's okay. Still bullish in my opinion. I don't trade these little tiny moves. 3 cents, I don't really care. I just buy and stack my bags, stack and hodl. That is the key. Long term, of course, what we have here on the MACD, on the histogram, is dark purple is dark red on most histograms. Under the zero line, DigiByte sold off, Stoke crossed the red line, and it created separation sell-off. Bitcoin, sold off a little bit, but people took some profits. That's okay. That's fine. DigiByte's still bullish. Now, the histogram is starting to tick upwards. It's smoothly coming out of its and turning around from where DigiByte wanted to sell, apparently. It's wanting to creep up, okay? In the light purple, light red. That means more buyers, less sellers. Sellers are getting weaker. Just like over here, right? See that? Okay, well, as that happens, and right in the zero line, before it flips to green, which is blue for DigiByte on the histogram, the Stoke cross up, create separation, and go, and DigiByte on the candles, they go up. They go up. And right now we are seeing a higher low respecting support on 100 EMA on the 4-hour. Now, and I've said this before, DigiByte's been playing around with the 20 and the 50 EMA. And it hasn't really, these lines on the 20 and 50 EMA hasn't really entangled itself in a rope down to the 100. The candles have, obviously, but not the EMA lines. They haven't entangled with this yet. Now the 20 barely ticked down, and it's still above the 50 on the 4-hour. Okay? Still bullish. They haven't even touched. Okay? And we might have a little 2 hour left indecision, candle, whatever. Spinning top, whatever you want to call it. But DigiByte's holding the 100. Now, the 20 hasn't even reached down on the 4 hour to 50. Still bullish. Like I said, if DigiByte fell from up here, from these really high gains, it was expected people are going to take profits. Guys, I don't swing trade like that with DigiByte. DigiByte's a long-term hold, so yeah, if you want to play that risk, sell high, buy low, fine, whatever, right? You can do that. I'm not mad at traders. I'm glad they're here. I'm glad they're buying. When they make that mistake of selling at an area when DigiByte goes up, they're going to have to buy up here. Okay? So don't feel bad. What comes around goes around, and eventually it always goes good. As long as DigiByte is doing what it should. Now, obviously, the use case for DigiByte is secures your identity. It's a secure blockchain altogether with 5 mining algorithms equally distributed between the algorithms for mining to mint DigiByte equally to prevent so-called 51% attacks. Now, can 51% attacks happen? Yes, it happens all the time on one algorithm with Ethereum Classic, and yet Ethereum Classic keeps moaning. It doesn't matter if a chain apparently gets attacked, but DigiByte has not been attacked. Due to the multi-algo, it would be much harder. But is it possible? Sure. If you had $21 million, rent a bunch of hash power, and try to attack DigiByte, sure. But it's not guaranteed that you'll make your money back. So, what does this tell me on the MACD? We got support on the 100-day, looking good. Still good separation. No tightrope on the EMA lines. And this could, still going down, but starting to curve. Okay, the histogram's going up north, and it's starting to curve on the Stoke. Hopefully, it starts curving and starts making a bottom here and ticks up through. Once we do that, we're in the blue on the histogram going north, and what we'll see is DigiByte possibly making new all-time highs, without a doubt. It's no longer really Bitcoin being a threat to DigiByte because Ethereum has pretty much already flipped Bitcoin's dominance. If it hasn't, it's really close, and it's actually going full throttle. That's good for altcoins such as DigiByte. So yes, over long term, DigiByte is a long-term hold, and I don't play around with trading it because there might be a day where it goes up and you didn't expect it. Let's go back to the pitchfork like I usually do. From the low to this high right here, down to the lower low. Alright, DigiByte's up here underneath the medium line. It breaks through like it has recently. It peaked up 3 times, got rejected, went down, found support on the, this is the 4 hour still, on the 200, bounced up within these channels, peaked out. Now, I said this was good. This was really good for DigiByte recently. If it stays up here and finds support, it did touch it twice. It broke through, but guys, now we're making on the 100 EMA some support here, which is in the purple. Okay, purple channel above it. We're not even down to the blue anymore. We're no longer over here. Okay, in the median line. We're on the breakout area. We're in the purple and the red. Okay, and the red is a warning that DigiByte is going to go up. Just like red is a warning down here, the DigiByte's around here, it's going to go down. Okay, so as you can see, DigiByte made a couple of touches on the median line. It doesn't want to go down. Okay, plain and simple. Now, like I said, finding support on the 100 EMA. We're in above the purple line channel, and it's testing it. It was before the purple line right here, and the red. DigiByte slowly climbed out of that, broke out, came back. Let's make it a test. It's testing it, and I believe we're going to see further upside, just based on the MACD. Okay. Now, what are we seeing here? Well, looks to me some divergence, bullish divergence. This is low. This is a higher low down here. This is high, and this is a lower low. Well, what does that tell me? Well, that tells me the DigiByte's going to pop soon. I don't know when, but it will. So you can take that to the bank. TA, it's good. I don't know if it's going to go up. I don't know if it's going to go down, but this is bullish divergence. It all depends on a little bit of Bitcoin, a little bit of Ethereum, but I really believe, you know what? DigiByte's paired to a lot. USDT, USD, Euro, whatever. It's tied to Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these other chains. And DigiByte's bullish pretty much all the time since the past 2020 March, okay? So it's been nothing but plus for DigiByte. DigiByte also has something coming up for it called the DigiAsset X exchange, where DigiByte's going to be glorified on that exchange, and we're just going to see some awesomeness with DigiAssets, NFTs, and just creating your own business. Really, be your own bank, be your own boss, be you. And if you're in the dark with cryptocurrency and you're throwing all your money, your life savings in Doge, to me, when people do that, they're in the dark. They're seriously in the dark. What are they going to do when someone dumps on them? What are they going to do when one day 4 million Doge gets in the circulation and they lose 4%? What are they going to do? Are they going to freak out? Well, I mean, cryptos go up and down all the time and all around. Lose 4%, lose 60%. I mean, Bitcoin's the most volatile asset according to stocks, professional traders, all these people. Yeah. And altcoins are a little bit more volatile. Why? Because they're more speculative than Bitcoin. But popular, like Doge. Doge is like a shooting star that's going to burn out in short time. I want to trust good fundamentals in my blockchains. I want to look at something that's going to last, going to endure, going to be able to withstand the pressure, withstand the negativity, going to prove itself time and time and time again. That's DigiByte. Let's go to let's see if my mouse works here. The daily. All right. Yep. Like I said, on the daily, we are finding support on this channel. And on the daily, the 20. Why is my mouse doing that? I have no idea. I felt like I was in the Matrix for a second. Huge separation with the EMAs. Hasn't affected on the daily at all. We're in the upper channel of the pitchfork. We are going to do something cool. DigiByte is still respecting this uptrend. Before that, let's see. Before that, DigiByte was expecting this uptrend, okay? Before that, DigiByte was expecting this uptrend. Those are uptrends. If you spread it out, you can clearly see they're uptrends. DigiByte's going up. It's plain as day. You can see it in the dark if you had some light. And obviously, this was definitely a low to a higher low. If you want to look back even further, DigiByte was on a tear from COVID to the new year. How about that? How about them apples? Look at this thing. DigiByte is absolutely, unbelievably outperforming its best cycle. So on the daily, yeah, DigiByte can come down, hit the 20, but right now it's in this channel, the purple. It could hang out here for a little bit and then come right back through the red line, and we might not ever see this pitchfork channel ever again. But the pitchfork channel has been faithful this whole time. It's been telling us when DigiByte was under the medium line. This was the heavy right here accumulation zone here. Actually, redo that. DigiByte's heavy accumulation zone until it popped, went above the median line. Absolutely bullish. Still up here, still climbing. Still hasn't on the daily touched the 20 EMA, and it hasn't even touched the trend line. And you know, there we are. There is the doors. Right there, my friends. That's the door. Right there. Now, I don't know what DigiByte's going to do, but it's possibly finding support right here, right there. Let's remove. Let's make a support line. Right, what? Here? There it is. Wow. That's where DigiByte wants to make some support. We'll give it to them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Confirmation. It wants to go up. All right. And even if it dumped down here, which is a small dump, by the way. I mean, whoopity-doo-dah, right? I mean, it's still within the 20 EMA on the daily. Still has this trend line it could go down to. You know, I mean, shoot, man. What do you do? I mean, you got this one. I mean, DigiByte moves. DigiByte gains. It's all there, man. I mean, it's in an uptrend, guys. It really is. Where I have this right there. Okay. If Bitcoin keeps moving sideways the way it has, this is good for DigiByte. Who cares if it's sold this little bit right here? Guys, on a weekly, okay, we had a giant bullish engulfing candle. People took profits here. People took profits after I said giant bullish engulfing candle. Even if it's sold off, it's still bullish. The red candle didn't even go down to this previous red candle. It wicked, but it got bought back up. Made a higher red candle low. And so here we are. Still respecting the upline. The trend line going up. Now I can technically, hey, there we go. Still good. On the weekly. Separation, we haven't even created a 200 EMA yet. We are absolutely about to do something crazy, but it could all go to zero. I'm not your financial advisor. Please do your own research. I'm not telling you to buy anything. I'm not telling you to sell anything. I'm not telling you to trade. None of that. You guys know the rigmarole. Buy low, sell high, buy the dips, accumulate, stack your bag, whatever. DigiByte's a long-term hold, but it's also really good for traders, apparently. You can see it clear as day right here. A bunch of people bought, they sold it. 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 This is beginning to be a trader's paradise, and DigiByte seems to be a lovable asset. So, enough of all that. Look at that, man. On the histogram. Higher highs and higher low bars. Still creeping up. Huge separation on the weekly. It crossed back here in December. 28th of December. Wait. Am I right? Yeah. 2020. Thank God that year's gone and we are liftoff. Freaking out of our minds right now. So are you in the dark? Trying to find the future of blockchain use cases? I'm only asking because, you know, if you guys don't know, you guys might want to do a little bit more research. If you guys are in Doge, you might want to find out what Doge does and what it relies on. You might want to find out what the heck you're putting your money into. Anita, first in line. How you doing, Butterfly? Gladden TV. You're listening to music? Hey guys, if you don't know who Gladden TV is, Gladden's a great guy. Go over there, visit his YouTube channel. He's a young man that believes in staying healthy and strong, and to literally, you know, for his age, he's pretty wise. Enough said. Bahalana, Elwakov. I love that Dave Chappelle, the crack lips. It's funny. Next week will be our week. Heck, this week is our week. This is your time to buy. This is my time to accumulate as much as I can. Just believe in it, and it's easy to hold. I love it when it drops because I buy more, you know what I mean? And when it goes up, you know, it's because I was buying. I'm here for the long haul. A few years from now, things will be pretty interesting. It will. Guys, right now, right behind or over the hill, behind the corner, right now is DigiAsset X. It is coming. He's a little bit behind Matthew Cornelius, but he is polishing it off. Guys, I'm telling you, it's what we've been waiting for. Christopher Carter, what's up, everyone? What's going on, Christopher? How you doing? Bahalana in the office. You're in the office? What are you doing, Bahalana? What do you do in the office? Gene, DGB is just getting, or just letting the other altcoins to go ahead, and I'll catch up in a little bit, past some biting dust. Yeah, or bidding dust, sorry. Yeah. I mean, it's just a natural cycle of things. DigiByte's going up, it's going down. That's what the chart is, but fundamentally, the blockchain's sound, secures identity. DigiID is going to be absolutely monumental once websites and major platforms start using it. if they really care about security, if they really care about their customers, I'm talking about people that actually care. They care about their website, they care about their business, they care about their brand. DigiID is the answer. Straight up. Coinbase would be much superior than all the others if they just implement DigiID. And then no one in support will ever say, what's going on, Coinbase? What's going on with my ID? Am I hacked? Why can't I use it? I can't log in. What's going on? What's the deal? I mean, guys, blockchain technology is the future. DigiID is the future from DigiByte blockchain technology. Use it, people. Implement it. Let's get security on the show, on the road. Let's solve the issue, guys. Come on, world. What are you waiting for? It's almost like the world wants a little bit of a back door so they can still control everything. That's how you know they're jacked up in the head. That's how you know their heart is bad. It's cold. It's deceptive. It's black. I don't know what to say. It's power, greed. It's control. Just do us all a favor. Use DigiID. Implement it. Put it in your website. Come on, world. Security is it's the numero uno. It's first. I mean, love Coinbase, love crypto, love all these platforms, getting people to bring, them into crypto, bring some liquidity in, invest in crypto, invest in the future. Use it. Use the future. Let's get over ourselves. Let's start using something that's already been proving itself, and that's DigiID. When someone doesn't use a superior blockchain like DigiByte, use superior protocols like DigiID, you're pulling my chain. You're not deceiving me. You might be deceiving so many other people because you want backdoors. But if you really want to call yourself a crypto platform, a secure crypto platform, use DigiID. That's all I gotta say. I will rant that thing until I die. Come on, guys. Come on, just use the DigiID. Come on. I mean, all your favorite websites, hit them up. I mean, the best way to do it, I guess we've been doing it a lot on Twitter, but if there's any way you can reach these people, tell them about DigiID. When I watch my favorite channels on YouTube or other, video sites, someone talks about security issues or this happened, and I'm like, instead of saying, Bitcoin can solve that, or DigiByte can solve that, I'll say, have you looked into DigiID? Give them the use case. Give them the solution. And don't be rude about it. Just tell them, hey, there is a solution. This is a real use case verified on blockchain. It's about keeping us, our identity, anonymous, controllable in our hands, but verified on blockchain where it's an open public ledger where you're verified and everybody else is verified. Why do you need to snoop around in the back doors trying to find out what people are doing? Try to find out what people are doing when they're trying to take other people's money, when they're trying to hurt people and kill people. Let's just be honest. Men have murderous hearts. They want to take, steal, and kill. We need to solve the security issue. It needs to be done. We need to start spreading DigiID like it's the cure. I mean, for real, guys. For real. The Cure. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, Gene. Yeah, agree with you. Gene also said, I don't see the economic ninja in the chat. It's, well, shoot, man. It's 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 1 o'clock where I am. Wait a minute. That means it's only 11 o'clock for him. Where is the ninja? You're absolutely right. He always says he wants to go to bed at 11. Old school comp sci. DGB heading to the moon. Yeah, it's been stair climbing its way up for a while. He-Man. Gene says to me, DGB is heading to Mars, just need to warm up more. All right. What about the use cases? Christopher Carter, what's up, man? Oh, you guys know each other. Awesome. Hey, Colin. How you doing, bro? Yo, Insomniacs. Love the content. I'll be streaming in the AM. You stream, bro? All right, well, I'll have to check it out. Do you do mining and stuff like that? Bahalana, my research says bye. Yeah. I mean, once I found out my research, once I found out for myself, it was a no-brainer. Yeah, it's just like, bye. That's just what I'm doing. I'm not your guys' financial advisor. Old school comp sci. Bitcoin is still using rocket technology while DigiByte uses anti-gravity. Okay. Yeah. That's funny, dude. Rocket fuel, right? Bitcoin. The old rocket fuel Bitcoin. Bahalana, my research says the same thing too. Bye. Well, you guys are like buying with me. Yeah, I mean, if you look, love DGB, what's up, World Twilight Golfer? You look at the charts, guys. Yeah, especially that's a weekly. Let's look a little closer on the daily. Yeah, we're already, finding our support right here. Short term, could be long term support. Right here, it's all in the confluence of ready to go action. Didn't even hit the 20 EMA on the daily. And look over here, it touched, this trend line. Didn't even hit the 50 over here. Rubber band right up. Went really high. People took profits, but screw them. We're going to go. Buy. And this is a dip action, guys. That's all it is. It's dip action. You buy it. And found support of the previous over here high. 4-minute newer high. Right? Looking good, guys. I mean, I've never seen DigiByte look this good. Let's just say, just for, hey, look, it's the daily, it's crossing down, right, on the stochastics MACD. Let's see how dangerous this really is. Okay, crossed down. This could be a fake out, though. I mean, it went down, went up, went down. Not a lot of histogram on the south. A little bit on the green, blue, north. One little short candle on the south. What's going on here? But again, what is it? The daily? Yeah, on the 4 hour, it looks like it's wanting to, turn around. Yeah, it's slowly creeping up. Let's get this ticking up on the stoke. Let's get it up. Let's go. Much like this, you know what I mean? But it's definitely a divergence here. Definitely divergence. None of these EMAs are touching. That's how great it is. Guys, unfortunately, I gotta go to the restroom. I didn't expect it. Hang in tight. I'll get right back with you. Mahalana, my research says the same thing too. Bye. Love DGB. Aha, that's a good one. Love DGB. Old school comp. Gene, thanks, man. And Colin, I do mine. Yeah. I use an FPGA circuit board to mine AutoCrypt, the ASIC resistant algo. Let's go. DigiByte. I'll be right back. How many people are with me? All 12. Wow. All right, guys. So what really excites me is the NFT DigiAsset creator on DigiAsset X. So it's taken a while for Matthew Cornelius to get this thing finished. Now, you know, partially is because he works full-time on a job and he, you know, works as much as he can day and night on DigiByte, you know, blockchain, support group, support channel on Telegram, answering people's questions. But guys, and he's part of the DigiByte awareness team. You know, I see him in there because I'm part of the DigiByte awareness team. So, as many others, we got, you know, quite a few people that you guys know on Twitter that's in the DigiByte awareness team. I see them as leaders. I see them as people just using their free time to further the DigiByte ecosystem. And part of that ecosystem not only is, you know, use cases, but it's the people. It's to get people to understand how we're going to move forward with DigiByte as a public utility, how to protect it, how to protect other people, because who doesn't want to help people, right? The people that don't want to help people need to get out. And the moment I see people that don't want to help others, they're not part of the team. If they're not part of the team, I want them out. That's just the way it goes. I mean, I got a bunch of friends that, you know, love being part of the team. But he does it on his spare time, but I can't wait for DigiAsset X. It is an exchange, guys, so DigiByte is going to be paired to Bitcoin, you know, USDT, something like that, and other cryptos. It's also going to be an asset NFT creator built in. It's version 3 of DigiAssets, and there's so many things going on there with, you know, regulations for assets anyway, you know, crypto in general. DigiAssets is going to be, you know, regulated KYC, you know, to stop the stupid people. And so us, you know, smart people can move forward with blockchain technology such as DigiByte. Mining definitely is something that you all might want to take a part of, especially with, you know, RandomX CPU mining, XMRig, and the GPU mining with ProgPal once DigiByte hard forks and levels up to the next protocol. So glad to see more miners, and we will have more distributed miners in fairness for people to mine DigiByte and to establish more DigiByte through easy mining. That's a good use case right there. I mean, right now we are literally taking the safe protocol steps for code base to implement into DigiByte. Hey guys, by the way, if you guys haven't seen Josiah Spackman's DigiByte channel, I implore you to go subscribe to Josiah Spackman. DigiByte updates. Great dude. He just got in an accident on his bike, right? Someone sideswiped him. He got hit off into the rails of the road, and he hurt himself in a couple of places. He had surgery. He's got cast on his foot and his leg. Guys, Josiah, he also uses his own money with a partner of his. I don't know who he works with, but anyway, he's done a DigiAsset or create DigiAssets.com. He also does DigiData. And guys, Josiah Spackman has been with DigiByte ever since he got on board and was friends with Jared Tate early on. So, like he calls himself the chief fund advisor, ambassador of DigiByte. But guys, hopefully you guys know who Josiah Spackman is, and you guys might want to check out his material on YouTube. He does update us on the real stuff of DigiByte. Maybe traders don't care, but usually traders that trade crypto or trade DigiByte really don't care about the fundamentals. They just care about the technicals. But I'm a technical, fundamental, all-around guy. But I'm a long-term holder of DigiByte. I believe it more than any other crypto that is out there. Because it's proven itself. It's proven itself over from the get-go what truly decentralized blockchain cryptocurrency should be. And that's what's attracted to me. And you know what? And I believe the people that it attracts, the world hates. Why? Because we want transparency. We want anonymous. We want security. We want compliancy. We want everything that's fair and real. We want to solve these use cases like security breaches, hackers, scams, all these things that people have trouble with, taken advantage of, being taken advantage of by nefarious people, nefarious acts, and nefarious groups, nefarious higher-ups. And it's all about working together. We're trying to make a better world in a screwed-up place. That's all it is, guys. It is new tech. It is the future. Okay? Undoubtedly. It's where we're going. Blockchain technology. DigiByte's going to be around, and it's either going to be in the background or the forefront, but either way, it's going to be an essential part of blockchain technology. Of the blockchain technology. I'm a robot from the future, guys. I should know. Old school comp site, Colin Malley, that's awesome. Are you using Black Miner F1 to mine by any chance? Yeah, that is an AutoCrypt miner. Iron Man Aussie, or Aussie. Iron Man Aussie. Hey man, what moving averages are you using? Moving averages? EMAs? Is that what you're saying? Those are the EMA. Oh, on TradingView? Yeah. Josiah is is the shiznit. Yeah, Rodriguez, Luis Rodriguez. Moving averages are you using? I'm just take a look. Moving averages. I'm just using these EMA lines. Is that what you're talking about? On the Bittrex, it's called the EMA 20 /50 /100 /20. That's what I type in, and that's what comes up when I push enter. It does it on all the time frames, right? So I got this is the 4 hour. You got the 20, 50, 100, 200. Okay, and then when I go to the daily, I got the 20, the 50, the 100, and the 200. I go to indicators on TradingView, right? And I type in EMA dash or space 20 dash 50 dash 100 dash 20 and or 200, and then that's what pulls up, right? Actually, I'm kind of interested if it pulls up the caretaker. Hold on. See what? Oh, what the heck? No. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Okay. Is that what's going on? Something went wrong with. Man, I still can't get. Maybe it was just a limited thing. I don't know. But I love that caretaker. It's what Crown Crypto's Cave use. Caretaker is one of the moderators. I watch Crown all the time. He does great TA. Go visit his channel as well. Go, guys, if you want some good TA, also go over there to Dub's channel as well. I think you'll find his stuff really good. Also, there's quite a few people actually out there. You got Cosmic Crypto. Cosmic Crypto, he's really good. I like Cosmic Crypto Nick, man. It's pretty cool. I did an interview with him a while back. I would really like him back on the DigiByte Comm Talk. In fact, again, guys, I will have the creator of DigiAsset X on the DigiByte Comm Talk. So yeah, that's going to be fun too. So I can't wait for DigiAsset X to come out. And it's literally coming out in a few days. I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't say a few days. It is literally coming out soon. So he's working on the NFT creator, the digital asset creator. You can render 3D graphics, pretty much the stuff, right? Yes, Josiah is the man. So pray for him. He got in a motorcycle accident. Yeah, he needs all the prayers we can get. We need him strong and healthy too. So pray for him and his family. Discover level up with DigiByte in Texas. Right on. Level up in Texas. You guys don't pay taxes. Do you guys pay crypto taxes, capital gains? Just curious. That's an actual question I want to know. Brian, Digi to the moon. Is that the dark side of the moon? If it is, it's going a lot higher to the moon, right? It's going past the moon to the dark side. Dark side of the moon, because there's no light on that side, apparently. I don't know. Had no idea. Never been that far. What happened to my music, dude? No. That's my end song. That's the song I play at the end. Oh, I'm wondering if I even put that song in here. Oh, shoot. Did I? I don't know. I was supposed to upload my new song. I don't think I did, guys. I'm gonna have to do it. Look at DigiByte, man. It's doing so good. Look at that, man. It's still bullish, guys. Higher highs, higher lows. We're freaking doing good. I don't care if DigiByte's lost a bunch of freaking percent. It's a higher, it's fine support. Hasn't even hit the 20 EMA. If it does, it's got all this support down here. I mean, dang, man. And it's got this trend line. Then obviously it's got the 50, but guys, it's freaking going. It's freaking going. Oh, that's one thing I wanted to look at, right? Let's take off my drawing tools, remove all of them. Let's go all the way back here, guys. I haven't done this in a while. Actually, I shouldn't because I already know we broke out. Is that? Just want to make sure that's still in the cards, right? See if we're in danger. I doubt we're in danger, guys. For real. That's not where it was. Silly rabbit. Yeah, we're way beyond, guys. I mean, shoot. We're doing really good. Look at that. That old pitchfork is on the under the 200 EMA line. Look at that. That's what we used to go by. Look how bullish DigiByte went through that, guys. Freaking nutty. Freaking crazy. All that separation. This is on the daily, guys. I mean, we're finding support. It's, guys, this is still positive, right? It's still great, man. Can't argue with that. What, we have no like fudsters, no trolls, no nothing? Man, we're doing good. I need trolls. Where are you, trolls? I'll tell you why I need trolls, guys. Check this out. I got this thing going on. I've been dying to do this. Like, if someone fuds this channel, that is good fun. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I want to do. Be like, you're a fudster. You're a fudster. And then ban them. Be like, you know what I mean? That's straight up FUD. Anybody, like what DigiByte can't do, the XRP and whoever can do. Like apparently you haven't been doing your research, right? DigiByte to the moon. Just bought more DigiByte 30 seconds ago. That's awesome. Yeah, this is the dip. I mean, and we're going up, so I don't know. Where the momentum's good, swing's good, the upward momentum is good. Let's make it clear though. Yeah, look at that thing. Freaking good. Gene says that's a good one, Script. Haha. Yeah, my FUD thing, man. I just can't wait, man. I want to do a troll one where just knock the troll out of the park, with a baseball bat or something. But yeah, if anybody has some FUD, I just want to play this and ban them.
The end of fun.
That's what I want to do. That's okay. You know what? I'm here for the community. That's the most important part. The community. It's not really beating up FUDsters. I just feel like people that FUD or troll. Actually, I don't even know what I feel about them. I just know they're people too, and they just need to get on the right side of perspective. Doge or DigiByte? Doge or DigiByte? They don't even compare those things. You know what they do? They compare XRP and DigiByte. Why do you do that? You can't compare XRP and DigiByte. If you compare it, you'll see they're polar opposites. We're talking about north and south. And even that, they're all not in the same plane. Centralized, decentralized. Come on, guys. How do you compare those things? I don't know, man. Drives me crazy. Am I against XRP? No. But when someone wants to compare XRP with DigiByte, it's a no-brainer. You shouldn't be comparing it. It's like a lose-lose battle, like comparing XRP and DigiByte. If I was in XRP for some reason because I want to be I want to invest in a banker coin because it's going to change the world of banking. I believe in the old model and that thinking, like we're still a bank and banks are going to rule the world, banks. But if I believe in decentralization, I believe in peer-to-peer protocols where you don't need a third party. That means no banks. Now, do I believe that DigiByte's going to do away with banks? I believe decentralization could solve and do away with a lot of stuff. Sometimes problem solving is doing away with a lot of corrupted things. And to say that the banks aren't corrupted, give me a break. Give me a freaking break. Show me something that the banks aren't corrupted. Show me something that the feds aren't corrupted. Show me something that the governments aren't corrupted. Show me something that, normal people that run this world aren't corrupted. You're telling me we live in a perfect world? And why are we trying to improve it? Why are we always falling short of greatness? It's because we always want a backdoor. We always want power. We always want control. We always want money. I just believe in, decentralization, DigiByte, no ICO, fair launch, fair mining, equal distribution of mining protocols, decentralization, protect your identity, control your identity, sovereign identity. I just believe in real stuff. Like, let's solve the security issues of the world. Let's do it with DigiByte. Don't give me some ERC20 crap that's going to help Ethereum do what Ethereum does for DeFi. That's not securing my identity. That's not helping me out. That's not helping my brother out. That's not helping anybody else out there that has no idea what blockchain is. Come on. Give me something I can give down to my family and give to my son and say, this is the deal. Don't give me something that I'm going to make money off my son and rob my son's future and his generation. That's the banks. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I believe in DigiByte's going to be used in this world and solve real world use cases. I also believe over time decentralization should reign. If it doesn't, people are wicked. Their heart is black. They don't care about you or me. That's it. End of story. I don't care what your opinion says or how you think about the world. The world's getting crappier by the day if they don't wisen up. If people don't care, people don't love, people don't want better for the world, they're wicked, straight up. I mean, I could see right through them. You can't have your cake and, your piece of cake and the whole pie or whatever you call it. I don't know. You can't have your foot in the world and foot in trying to save the world, because the world's doomed. And if you're trying to save the world, you have to be above the world to save it, to pick it up. I'm talking about people, man. People make stupid decisions, and it's hard to pick them up out of their monstrosity. That's why it's important that you take heed to the things that are being said today, so you don't make those mistakes that you've always made in the past. Sometime you're going to have to start thinking with your own brain and feeling with your heart and believing in something that is sound, that can fix the problems in your life. That's why, I'm a Christian. I believe in righteousness, not self-righteousness. I believe in love, not greed. I believe in authority, not power. Right? Rodriguez, what are you laughing at? LMAO. I don't even know how to say that. What do you think it'll pump to by end of May? What do you think it'll pump to by end of May? I don't know. It could make a higher high. It could make another higher low. I mean, yeah. I mean, if you guys, I don't know what it's going to do. But if you use, I don't know. Let's check it out. I don't know what it's going to pump to, but there's this thing called, what do you call it? I will find it. Fib. Oh wait, is it the other way around? Sorry. I like using the other way around, right? DigiByte's finding support on the 0.618 on the fib support, right? So that's looking really good, right? You can see the support right there on this 0.618, okay? It could go with, you're just using the scale. I'm not looking at the price, but it needs to be above this area right here on the scale, right? So this is its resistance right here. So DigiByte needs to be establishing the support, get up in this, get above this area. It needs to get above to make a higher candle body close 0.236. Okay, it needs to get above here. Okay, so here to here, that's where it needs to go. If I wanted to make a target of something on the fib extension, let's remove this. Okay, just gonna go right here. Okay, back here in January. Hold on, I'm not even there yet. Hold up. Oh, because I'm on the daily. Well, I'm on the daily, so that's good. I'll look in the daily, right? Almost there, guys. Almost there. Hold on. Right there. Okay, now. So, DigiByte since January 28th, right, 2021, this year, absolutely went on the tear. Hit up here from this bottom to the 2382 or the 0.382, retraced below the 0.236, went back up, broke through here, bullish action, broke 1, 2, 3 levels above the 0.786, found resistance, zero line. Now, very beautiful here on the bullish EMAs, bullish channels. Let's see what DigiByte's habit is. So it goes up, gets rejected, goes below. Goes up, found support, goes up, found support, breaks through, go below. Goes up, found support, goes up, found support, goes up, found support, go up, found support, breaks, goes up, found support, goes up, found support, goes up, breaks. These are the fib extension for long-term DigiByte right here, man. I mean, DigiByte could be any one of those, right? I mean, shoot. We ain't playing around here. We're in the bull market for DigiByte. Look at the great separation in the EMAs. Ain't nothing stopping this. It's freaking when it breaks out, guys, it made this huge breakout. The two channels got rejected, went down, broke out of this channel, choppiness, went up though, bullish, broke through 3 channels, actually first time and then the fourth one. We're in this huge range right here, and we're above the 20 EMA, the daily. Yeah, it could be any one of these channels break out here probably. So right here, at least this line up here. Apparently you got, this is 20, 25, whatever, right? I mean, this is your resistance line, but obviously DigiByte can absolutely just, my paintbrush. I mean, DigiByte could just, absolutely break that. Just do this again. I mean, that's what it does, right? That's what DigiByte does. I mean, it's just, it does crazy stuff like that. I mean, guys, but at the same time, could go down, right? I mean, it could absolutely go down. But again, this is all speculation. It's hypothetical. I mean, you had the fibs, target zones. I mean, I don't know what to think about this. It's absolutely bullish. That's all I know. It could break through this. Okay, long term, even short term, long term. But this is all your targets. The scale is endless. All right, looks beautiful. I mean, guys, this is crazy bullish. Can't give you a price, guys. Can't do it. This is a bearish moving coming short term unless ETH can pump ASAP. Oh, really? I don't see it. I mean, you're talking about short term. ETH did go bear on 4-hour MACD 15 minutes ago. But that's the 4-hour. What about the daily and the weekly? Talking about long term, guys. What about the long term? It's absolutely bullish. This is the daily for DigiByte that you're seeing, right? This is the daily, right? 4-hour. Still looking great. I mean, we found support on the 100-day or the 100 EMA, and you know, the MACD said it was crossing upwards. The histogram is getting lighter red, meaning it's climbing and power buyers are buying. The sellers are getting short-handed. This looks like an uptrend to me. I mean, shoot. I don't think Ethereum's in danger of flipping BTC's dominance. It's within grasp of Ethereum, and if that's true, it's, you know, it's coming right around the corner. And alts are going to absolutely be monstrous, and you can see the monster levels here. Before, Bitcoin had all kinds of dominance right here over DigiByte. I mean, yes, DigiByte broke out, but Bitcoin's losing dominance. That's why it's breaking out. Now, what's the next scale? I mean, shoot, look at this, man. You got flat line, you got a little bit of hills, mountains, you got valleys, highs and lows, and then bam. You got this massive mountain of bullish pressure because BTC's losing dominance on all angles, on all fronts, and the altcoin market is actually pumping over Bitcoin. Bitcoin's losing, guys. Even if Bitcoin goes up, let's just say DigiByte goes down, right? I mean, what? The next level, 11? I mean, that's it? That's all Bitcoin got against DigiByte? Really? This one little channel? Again, I don't think it will find support. I think it's going to creep up. And if it does, then so be it. That just means the maximalists aren't buying their Bitcoin. But the 4-hour is different. You know, the 4-hour is, you know, you buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. That's 4-hour. Daily, daily's looking good. Daily's looking good. I mean, sure, could we repeat a pattern down here if Bitcoin drops a lot? Sure, yeah. We go all the way down here, just like we did over here. But it hasn't been yet. This thing's been bullish, man. It hit the 20 higher high. It didn't even hit the 20 yet, and it, you know, could have another run here making a higher high. So that's the daily. The weekly, yeah, I don't know what to say. It's bullish. Even if Bitcoin drops, it's still bullish. Look at that thing, man. Absolutely nutty. All I see is big giant candles. And the 20 EMA ticking up. You know, the 50 about to tick up, about to cross over here from this first pump's low. The 50. Once the 50 hits above this first pump's high, we're expanding, guys. We are expanding like crazy. I mean, like crazy upwards. Again, crypto could go to zero, and then, you know, we can go back to our normal lives and work 9 to 5 and all that jazz. But I don't think that's going to happen. Totally not worried about short term, you know what I mean? Iron Man. This is a bearish moving coming short term unless ETH can pump ASAP. ETH did go bear on 4-hour MACD 50 minutes. Yeah, that's just traders. 4 hours trading. You know, we have not went bear. DigiByte hasn't yet, or neither will it. Just loaded up my bag now. Awesome. Rodriguez says short-term moves are small compared to long-term movements. We're looking good. Yeah, guys, you could be accumulating at any point, the high and the low, and you're still good. Look at the weekly, man. Just freaking killing it, right? We're killing it. All right, guys. Well, love you guys. You know, I believe in DigiByte. It's going to do some awesome freaking things. I've been working, guys, a little lately, and been doing some work. I've been working, you know, just like everybody else works. I've been doing a lot of work and working, trying to work on work. And so trying to get some videos in has to be after work. And usually that's a little late. So I've been sneaking these things at, 1 o'clock in the morning, 12 o'clock at night, So love you guys. Glad to hang out with you. I met some new people in here. Glad to meet you. Welcome to the DigiByte community. Or if you already are in the DigiByte community, awesome. I do want to tell you guys, I had a friend, an old roommate of mine, told me about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Called me up or text me and let me know his brother's friend wants to talk with me, meet me. So that's cool. I don't know what it's about, but that's pretty cool. All right. Love you guys. Take care. Look after your own, do all the normal stuff that you guys enjoy in life. It's not about, money. It's about, real, the real. Oh, you want to just come in here, Blaz, and just say, is this live? Of course it is, Blaz. When are you going to be on the DigiByte Comm Talk? I'm asking you straight up. Yes, it's live, Blaz, bro. But I'm ending it, man. It's been like an hour, 21 minutes, What's up? Hey, guys, this is Blaz. You guys know who Blaz is? You guys know who DigiByte Memes is? He makes all the memes, or a majority of them. He has a memes team. All the memes you see out there in life, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, what else? Oh yeah, can't forget Twitter. That's Blaz right there, man. Can't you tell? He's got man. He's everywhere. Go Digi, go DigiB. Hey, what's this? Sig 94121. How far will it go? We're going to the. We're going. I mean, look at it. We just take a look at it. You know, I showed you guys the scale right here. I mean, this is the fib targets. There you go. You want to know how far it can go? It can go pretty far to where you can start, seeing cross vision. There you go. This is this cycle, guys. Could go up, could go down. These are all the fib retracements and targets. I can't tell you it's going to $1. Just can't do it, guys. I can't tell you it's going to, 3 cents. Just can't do it. It could go to 0. Crypto could go to 0. But I don't believe it will. I mean, if it does, fine. We live it to see another day, right? I mean, no need to kill yourself. Anyway, guys, it's absolutely on an uptrend if you just wanted to know that, SIG 94121. Do you have any good news? Yeah. Christ died for your sins according to the scriptures and rose again the third day according to the scriptures. That's the only good news in this world, that there's a savior for it. DigiAsset X, the exchange for DigiAsset X is right around the corner. The developers of it, Matthew Cornelius and others, are polishing it out. So look forward to that. It's coming. It is coming. That, which is an exchange for NFT asset creation, DigiAsset creation version 3, KYC and all the compliancy and coolness makes it legit, on chain, decentralized. It's gonna be cool, and using it is gonna be cool. Something that's going to be visible, tangible, viewable. Did I say visible? Viewable? Same thing. Well, viewable, visible. You're going to see it, and then you're going to continually see it and use it, play around with it. But, guys, that's all I got. I'm really tired. And, the news is the DigiByte Foundation, Rudy Bauman, they are talking with Coinbase. Take that for what you will. Try not to bother and hound Coinbase, please. They are talking to them professionally. Take that news for what you will, but that is the truth. Yep. If you just popped in, SIG 94121, watch the video. And I explained in the beginning of this video and all the way through my passion for DigiByte. I'm not in it for the short term, although I'm here shortly. We don't know if we have tomorrow. I'm here for the long term. We don't know if we have tomorrow. But I'm here, aren't I? Just like many of us in the DigiByte community. We believe in it. And it's on an uptrend, tear. I mean, look at it. It's doing nothing but uptrends. Uptrending target, support channels all up in here. Look at that thing, man. Look at that. It's everywhere. It's just going up, I mean, EMAs are separating. Everything's ticking up. Everything's looking good. It pulled back, but it's made a higher low than the previous higher high. I mean, it's all relative to what you can see on the chart. Honestly, I think DGB doesn't need Coinbase anymore. I mean, that's a good point, I mean, DigiByte's been doing this all without Coinbase. I mean, I believe Coinbase should have had DigiByte on a long time ago. Really, I really do. I don't understand, guys. These were big moves back in the day. Giant. Remember Blaz? This move right here. Woo! And then creeping through. I remember a man was like, "Oh, what happened?" It sold off a little bit. But I was like, you know what? I'm just glad that DigiByte didn't moon here, because it didn't have this real growth here. Then didn't have this head and shoulders reversal dip here. And bam, it did. It's moving through channel, uptrend after uptrend, bull flag. That's a giant bull flag, by the way. But these were all. I mean, if I went back to daily, look at those. These were all bull flags. Bull flag, bull flag, bull flag, bull flag, bull flag, bull flag. Well, actually, that's a ascending bull flag, and it went down. Ascending wedge went down, found support, bull flag, up, down, found support, bull flag, bull flag, bull flag, up, down, found support, blast off just out of nowhere. So, I guess this was a wedge, a descending wedge, whatever. It went up, bull flag. Yep. Bull flag. Sell off support above that. Went up. Bull flag. We actually went really high here. That was all-time high right there. Okay. We went down, made a higher low, higher than the higher high. Let's check that out, man. Let's check that out real quick. Boom. Yep, we're right on it. We're right above it. This is support. That's the previous high. Before that high, that's a low. The new low is higher than that high, higher than this low. We're in an upper channel here. No, we're in the mid-range channel. Sorry, we're above the 200 EMA on the daily. This is all bullish. I don't care what DigiByte did here recently. It doesn't matter. It's up, and it's going up. To be fair, let's go a little closer time. Let's go to the hour to be fair, guys. I don't want to just tell you it's going up. It's going up. That's all it's doing. There you go. What do you do? Right? All fairness, should I tell you it's going down? I mean, this looks like one big giant freaking uptrend, bull flag, whatever you want to call it, and then it's got larger targets. That's next. Larger targets. That's next. Look at that thing. Actually, you know what? I can do this. Just go here, right? I can just go straight across, right? Take that for what you will. And I don't know what you will. But if you're asking questions, I would ask is, how can I get involved with DigiByte? How can I help the people in the DigiByte community? I mean, is it going up? It's been going up for a long time, dude. Yeah, a long time. Take it for what you will. I'm not your financial advisor. Take my words for a grain of salt. Love you guys. Love the questions. All that stuff. Oh, okay. SIG 94 121. Please go up quickly. Why? What happened, man? Did you buy high or something? Don't worry, dude. Don't get emotionally attached to your trade. If you make a mistake, learn from your mistakes. Wait, hodl. That's what you call it, hodl. Wait for it to, go up. And it will. I mean, DigiByte's a fast mover, guys. Fast mover. DigiB is on DeFi, and they get the same volume as Coinbase. They do. All right, guys. Love you. And script Skynet.